In today's video, I'll show you how to wrap text in Figma and control exactly where your text breaks inside a text box. This is a simple but essential Figma skill for creating clean designs, responsive layouts, cards, buttons, banners, and user interfaces. If your text is staying on one long line or isn't wrapping the way you expect, this quick method will help you fix it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Figma file and locate the text you want to wrap. You can either select an existing text layer on the canvas or choose the text tool and create a new text box. For this example, make sure you are working with a text box rather than a single line of text. Click the text box to select it. Once the text layer is selected, look over to the right side of the Figma interface and find the Layout section in the Properties panel. Under Layout, locate the Resizing settings. This setting controls how the text layer behaves when the content changes or when you adjust its dimensions. In the Resizing options, select Fixed Size. Choosing Fixed Size gives the text box a defined width and height, which allows the text to wrap within the boundaries of the box. If another resizing option is selected, Figma may allow the text box to expand automatically instead of creating new lines. After selecting Fixed Size, return to the text box on the canvas. You should see handles around the selected layer. To change the wrapping point, move your cursor to the right or left edge of the text box, then drag the handle inward to make the box narrower or drag it outward to make the box wider. As you adjust the width, the text will automatically wrap inside the new boundary. Dragging the edge inward creates shorter lines and more lines of text. Dragging the edge outward gives the text more room, which can reduce the number of lines. This makes it easy to control the appearance of paragraphs, headings, descriptions, and other text elements in your design. For example, if a heading is extending too far across a card, select the text box, choose Fixed Size under Resizing, and drag the right edge inward. The heading will wrap onto additional lines while staying inside the card. If the text looks too crowded, drag the edge outward slightly until the line breaks look balanced. You can use the same technique with text on either side of the box. Drag the right edge or the left edge depending on how your layout is positioned. The important part is to adjust the width of the text box, not the font size. This lets you control the line length while keeping the text styling consistent. If your text still does not wrap, check that the correct text layer is selected and confirm that Fixed Size is enabled in the Layout section. Also, make sure you are dragging the side handle rather than a corner handle, because changing the side width is what controls the text wrapping boundary. Wrapping text is especially useful when designing responsive components, website sections, mobile screens, presentation slides, social media graphics, and UI cards. It helps you maintain consistent spacing and prevents long text from overflowing into other elements. And that's how to wrap text in Figma. Select your text box, open the Layout section in the right panel, find Resizing, choose Fixed Size, and then drag the left or right edge to control the width. Figma will automatically wrap the text inside the new boundary. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.